Assembling. We are assembling something. Something. What's that something?
Do you know what it is?
Of course. We are assembling this kind of table. Cutie, cutie. So we finished the first one and the second. We are on our third level.
Level 3.
Level 3 of assembling. It's not that difficult because he is the master.
Of course.
You are the
Say that
master.
again.
You are the master. The mastermind.
Mastermind.
Yeah, he's the master of fixing stuff.
Okay.
So, oh, there.
Show me that.
Here. This should be the one. This one. Yeah, yep, yep.
Yep. And then we screw this one like this. Then you lock them.
Oh, it's locked already. Amazing. Now it's standing.
Because that's work.
Amazing, honey. You are good.
I know, right?
So, we'll go to the fourth level.
Let's do both. Same time.
Yeah, we'll do it on the same side.
I'm sitting like a monkey because I'm lazy.
That's cool. Quick lock.
Yeah.
Yes, and we'll go to the fourth one. The fourth one is this. This.
No. Where are we?
Yep, we're done with this. We're done with that. This is part of the fourth level.
Will you?
The easy one on the fourth level. But we have to follow this one. So it's kind of a bit confusing. But not really. Yeah, you can put it here, honey. There. Try. Then on the no, yeah, there and on.
They want us to put them.
It's like opposite, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah, there. So that will be on the left side. Yeah, that will be on the left side. This will be on the right side.
Where is supposed to? 1, 2, 3, 1. There.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, why is it like that? Yeah.
And then the other one is like opposite, see? That will be on the left side.
Just listen to this.
But what is this? Oh, you have to put this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. This one is going here. And it needs a small screw. What kind of screw?
It's small.
I think, yeah, it has to be this.
The fourth level is a bit difficult. It's a bit difficult. Yeah, just follow that one. First one. It's
Yeah,
different.
Be,
2 here
yeah.
and 1 here.
Exactly.
Oh, no. We'll be on the 5th level. We will be on the 5th level.
And this one, right?
Yeah. Right. Right, mister. Perfecto. And the other one will be on this side. The last one.
The last one.
Perfecto. Sixth level. Level 6. We are on the 6th, level 6. Actually, it's up until 16. 16.
It's all the way to 16.
We're done on the 6th level. We are on the level 7. And I'm just doing nothing.
Moral support.
Support.
Never underestimate the moral support.
Just the support. Okay. It's a lot to do. We have 2 of these. To do. Yeah, it's almost done. Okay. It's standing now. It's standing. But we're not done yet. It's nice. We will go on the 8th level. Level 8. Oi. Level 8. Level 8. Level 8. Okay. We are on the 10th level. It's almost done. Perfecto. Then we're gonna move to the 11th level. Oh my god. The 11th, the 12th level is done. And we will be on the 13th level. 13th level, honey. Oh my god. Almost done.
Who's the boss?
Oh my god, you're the best.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, you know, right?
This far.
Oh my god, it's finished. This is the one. Well done, honey. That's perfecto.